What's up, you guys? It's your girl Loverlee, and I am back with another video. And as you can see from the title, in today's video I'm going to be recommending some Amazon brand balloons that you can try for both outdoor and indoor events. As you may know, there is currently a balloon shortage, so most of us cannot get our hands on some of our favorite brands like the Qualitex, Sempertex, and Tuftex balloons. They're sold out everywhere, on every website, in every shop. So I've been using Amazon balloons for a while now because that's the balloons I used to practice with, and sometimes last minute I have to grab some off Amazon. Please note that some of these brands I've only used in the past, some of them I've only used once, but I do know how good they hold up indoor or outdoor, so those are the only ones I'm going to be recommending to you guys, the good ones that I'm sure about. But without further ado, if you aren't subscribed to the channel already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any other brands that you'd like to recommend, just drop it in the comment section below to help out someone. So yeah, let's get straight into this. First brand I'm going to be recommending is this Amazon brand that I've been using for about 2 years now. I always get the chrome gold from them and I love it. It's very strong, it holds up outside, and I've never had a problem with it. I'm going to be showing you guys some of my work that I've used this chrome gold on. Second store on Amazon I'm recommending is this Hakuna Matata store. I've used both their metallic and gold balloons indoor and outdoor, and they held up really well. Never had a problem with it. They're super durable, shiny, all that good stuff. I'm going to show you guys some of my installs that I've used them on so you guys will be able to see. Third store on Amazon is this one that I usually get my like 18 and 24-inch jumbo balloons from. I normally get them in white and black. I use them outdoor and indoor and never had a problem with them. For my number 4, I'm recommending this other store that I normally get my 12 and 5-inch balloons from last minute whenever I don't have enough time to order them off of a distributor site. I just go ahead and order these off Amazon Prime and I get them the day after. They're sturdy, they're super thick, sometimes that's a problem, but they hold up really good outdoor and indoor. So yes, I'll definitely recommend. For my number 5, I'm recommending this store that I would get my 5-inch balloons from to fill in my balloon mosaics. That is mainly what I would order it for, but for Pride weekend, all of the balloons were sold out, so I ordered some for my garland and my balloon mosaic, and I used it on my garland. The garland was outdoor for 7 days straight. I came back to California to break down the garland at the venue, and they were still standing. So yes, you can use this brand outdoor on your balloon garlands as well. So for my number 6, I am recommending the Pretext store on Amazon. I came across this brand 3 years ago when I had a last minute client. She booked for some colorful balloons for a birthday party, so I did this balloon garland outdoor and she kept it up the whole weekend. So yes, you can definitely use the balloons outdoor because they hold up pretty well. I recently ordered the same 600 pack again off Amazon for a last minute Pride event. I had already ordered all of my Pride colored balloons, but when I went back to order some, they were all gone. So I ordered the 600 pack again and it did well like the first time, except for the yellow in the pack. They all kept on popping, so I ended up using my Qualitex yellow for this garland. But apart from that, I love the brand and it's really good. For my number 7, I'm going to recommend this store that I've used in the past. I normally order my 5-inch white balloons. If I have to, I use it as fill-ins. I use it in my balloon mosaics mostly, and they never give me any type of problems. I also used their peach and blush color before for this balloon mosaic, and it did pretty well. So yes, I'll definitely recommend this brand. For this other store, I've only used the 5-inch pastel assorted colors. If you guys would like to save money and not double stuff your balloons or buy the pastel colors individually, I'll definitely recommend this pack. I only bought it in 5-inch, never seen it in any other sizes, but I use it on my mosaics and I use it recently on a centerpiece tutorial, as you guys can see. So if you like to save some money, go ahead and try this brand. You might like it. For my number 9, I'm recommending this store. This is the store on Amazon where I purchased my 260Qs in bulk. I only use the 260Q balloons for fill-ins. I do not make balloon bouquets, nor do I make balloon animals, so I do not feel the need to spend too much on 260Q balloons. Also from this store, I've purchased their white balloons before in the past, like a lot. I used to get a lot of last minute bookings when I lived in Maryland, so this was kind of like my only option, or Party City. But I do like this brand's white balloons. Recently I ordered it earlier this year and a lot of them were popping, so I'm not sure if the quality of the balloons went down. I don't know if you guys noticed, but the quality of a lot of these name brand balloons have went down recently. I don't know if that's because of the latex shortage or whatever, but also from this brand, I've used their red. I used it for a Christmas event back in 2019 and it held up pretty well. So if you guys would like to check out this brand, then be my guest. And last but not least, you guys, I love Party Woo store on Amazon. It was one of the first brand that I used off of Amazon when I was just starting YouTube, and whenever I need to practice, I always head to that store. Sometimes I order this specific pack because I need the darker purple and I cannot find it anywhere. I need the lighter purple and I cannot find it anywhere. So I don't know, this pack just always comes in handy. I also use the pink balloon from this brand as well. I'm gonna try to insert some pictures. But yes, if you guys would like to check out Party Woo on Amazon, go ahead. They hold up really good outdoor and indoor. I've never had a problem with them. They're a little see-through, that's the only thing, but apart from that, they're okay in my eyes. Okay guys, that is all for this video. I did not want to make the video too long, so please check the description box where I'll be listing more shops. Also, these shops are not in any particular order. I numbered them and that is exactly how they will be numbered in the description box below, so you won't get confused. And I'll also post the direct link for you to purchase them if you want to. And just to make sure you guys know, I did not post these because they were cheaper brands or more affordable. It's just that they're just alternatives for the bigger brand balloons. Some of these balloon brands on Amazon are more expensive. Some of them are cheaper and some of them are the exact same price as what you're used to. But without further ado, I hope that my recommendations helped out a lot of you guys. Please let me know in the comment section if you have any other brands you'd like to recommend off Amazon. Give this video a big thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll definitely catch you all in my next video. Bye.